It's October, gang, which means one thing. Football season is in full swing. And if you live in the South like we do now, you know that SEC football is all that and more. And any loyal fan loves to have their game gear on. And I just have to give a little shout out. So this is Game Day Couture. I'll link them up down below, and I'll actually share their Instagram with you. But they are actually, I mean, this is actually a darling t-shirt here, but this is a company that was started by women. They actually went on Shark Tank. They actually made it through Shark Tank and had some funding for their company. And now they have, just like this, they have adorable game day gear, and so go check them out. And loyal fans also love to tailgate here in the South. And whether that's at home or whether that's at the game where you have the big setup and the 60-inch screen TV and the generators and you're flipping burgers and all of that. But today's all about tailgating. I'm actually doing it at home this year, and I'm going to share a few breakfast recipes. We're going to have a Bloody Mary bar and my new favorite trend, which is called a poptail. So I'm going to share that coming up. I'm sharing all my recipes with you, and I'll have everything listed down below. But this is a super easy recipe. It's pancake sausage muffins that you actually dip in syrup. Here are my Egg McMuffins, which really just mimic the McDonald's Egg McMuffins. So you just have English muffin, you have a fried egg, you have American cheese, and then you have sausage. I just exchanged mine for a meatless patty. And then I just made mine up ahead of time and wrapped them in wax paper. And then when your guests are ready to arrive, you can just pop it in the microwave and just heat it up for a few seconds, okay? So there it is. Very easy recipe. It just has 2 ingredients, 3 if you want to include the agave syrup. Some people like it, some people don't. But you just need some champagne. It's just really how you put a mimosa together. Orange juice, and then I have my poptail molds. Are you ready to learn about some poptails? That's coming up next. So you need 13 ounces of orange juice, and then you need 7 ounces of champagne. And then, I actually like the agave syrup. I use it quite a bit when we do margaritas and other cocktails. So I'm just going to put a little smidge. You can actually, I just buy the simple syrups at the store. You can actually make your own if you want to. But just a little dab. That's it. How easy is that? Well, we're ready to cheer our Georgia Bulldogs on with just a few simple recipes. We have our Egg McMuffins, we have our sausage pancake muffins, yogurt with a little bit of granola and some fruit, our poptails, our Bloody Mary bar, and then, a few cold drinks to serve our guests too. So it's so easy to just throw a little tailgating party together. It doesn't have to be lavish, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.